How to log in to Fifth Third Bank online banking. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in to Fifth Third Bank online banking. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First, open up your web browser and search for Fifth Third Bank online banking. After you do that, you'll find the Fifth Third online banking login page right here. You can tap on that. After you're here, all you have to do is enter up your user ID and your name finally, and then tap on login. After you do that, you'll get logged in into your account. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.